Okay, so good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia, and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive hereby data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, po.
Can you
Yes.
speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, a little bit.
It's okay as long as you can communicate with your employer. We don't have
Yeah.
any problem. If you don't know how to communicate, then how will you gonna understand each other? Better stay in the Philippines also. Okay?
Yes.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
Yes, ma'am, I'm healthy.
Healthy, yeah? If you're unwell, then better stay there. Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Noah, our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Why did you choose to come here in Malaysia?
Because I want to experience about in Malaysia, and I want to experience a what's the work, the other people, and all things.
Okay. So can you help me introduce yourself, please?
By the way, I'm Reggie Handungan. I have one child, but the last few months it was died. But so that I decided to apply again to the another country because last 2 years I came from Saudi Arabia. Then I finished a contract.
How old is your kid?
4 months.
Oh, 4 months only.
Yes, po.
And then it suddenly passed away.
Yes.
I'm so sorry about your loss. But are you mentally stable to work here?
Yes.
You do you think you won't miss your child?
Sometimes when what's that?
Okay, so you are mentally stable to work here, ah?
Yeah,
I don't
yeah.
want to have such a problem later.
So I
Okay?
could.
Okay, so you can manage.
Yes.
Okay, so I need to know some few more details from you first. You only got one kid.
Yeah.
Okay, so you have a live-in partner.
Yes.
Okay, when is your birthday?
Um, my birthday is April 17, 1995.
Okay, do you have ready passport already?
Yes.
What is your height and your weight?
My height is 5'1" and my weight is 53.
What is your religion?
Catholic.
What is your educational background?
I'm graduated in high school.
Graduated in high school. Is your live-in partner allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
How old is he and what is his occupation?
He is installer in glass aluminum and he is a 29 years old.
29 years old. Okay, can you tell me more about your family's details?
Yeah. My father is in the my father is stay there in the house, and my mother also. I have six siblings. They have three sister and three brother, and I am
Okay.
the fifth sibling.
Okay. So, as you have mentioned a while ago, you got experience in Saudi, right?
Yes,
Okay, because it was stated in your profile that way back 2018 to 2023, you worked in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia for 18, 19, 20, 5 years, right?
yes.
Okay. Can you share it with me? What are your duties or what are your primary duties to your previous employment while you are working in KSA?
Yeah, the job.
Yes, your
Yeah,
job's
uh,
responsibilities.
yeah. I cleaning all day, cleaning the house, mm, washing the clothes, cooking, ironing, and carrying the kids.
Okay. How old are those children that you take care?
The eldest is the time she is 28 years old. The second is 23. The third is 21, and the youngest is 16.
Oh, so quite big already. You only assist them, is it?
Ma'am, what?
The children that you are taking care of is already teenager. It's quite old
Yes,
already, right? So
yes,
you only assist these children, correct?
yes, ma'am. Assist for the food.
For all the things that they
Mm,
wanted, okay? So what
yes.
happened? Why you decided to go back in the Philippines and didn't continue working to this employer? Because you've been there for 5 years already.
What, ma'am?
What
Get.
happened? Why you didn't continue working to this employer?
Ah, last day I chat my employer in WhatsApp. Then I asked him here if it's okay. I'm back again. But the problem is the what's that the employee is not she is not want to accept her contract, so that I decided to apply to the another country. But
Oh,
my employer want me. That's
okay.
the
So once you come to work here in Malaysia, don't compare your previous employer to your recently one, okay? Middle East and Malaysia or in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia is quite different from Middle East, from here in Malaysia. You might be felt a culture shock once you come to work here, but once you reach to your employer, don't compare, okay?
okay.
So it's not new for you being an OFW or being a domestic helper. It will be your second time round once you come to work here in Malaysia. So you know already that you need to be flexible, you need to be multitasking. As we also mentioned, to, in your first come to KSA, you've also fastened your seatbelt, right? Because you have an employer which is a stranger for your eyesight also and for your employer, right? So you need to get ready. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Can you take your baby or children while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, I will take care if
Can
they
you
have.
can you take your elderly people?
If they have,
So willing to take
yeah,
care.
yes,
Okay. Can you cook?
yes, ma'am.
What variety of cuisine you can prepare?
Uh, like because I in the past I cook Arabic food, but
What kind of
this
Arabic food is it? Kabsa or what?
like plain rice,
Biryani?
biryani,
Okay.
they have more.
Okay. So you are willing to learn some new recipes also, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Ma'am?
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
No.
It's okay. It's a yes or no only, okay? Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes.
Okay. You don't afraid of any dogs, cats, rabbits, snakes?
No. Only the snake, ma'am.
Oh, I'm afraid with snakes too.
Yeah.
Okay. So you were going to sign a 2 years contract, right?
Yeah.
So you are aware of it. Breaching of contract, you know that there will be a consequences also, which is if you break your contract, if you are aware, what will happen? Terminating of contract. If you terminate your contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency has nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
You are the one who decided to come and work here because you wanted to sustain your family's needs. And you have goals in your life also at the same time. So, using of mobile handphone, you are not allowed to use your phone during working time, but instead you can hold it during nighttime only. After you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, but if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary, which means in our contract right now we have 1,800, but if you will work, you could have 2,080 ringgit for every month. Are you okay with the rules and regulations?
Ma'am.
Okay.
I'm agree.
if you agree, then you can come, you can work, don't give us trouble, don't demand us about all these things. If you disagree about our terms and conditions, better stay in the Philippines. You won't give us problem also. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Always remind yourself that Philippines, you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations. We need to respect the employer's culture. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time, Reggie. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Global Ace agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much and have a good day.
Thank you also,